Hey there, I'm Cooper with Productive Robotics, and today I'm going to show you how to teach OB7 to do a simple pick and place job. The best thing you can do when getting familiar with OB7 is to dive in and start using the system. It won't take long for you to get a feel for it, whether you're looking to teach OB7 how to do a job that only requires a couple of steps, or you have a more complex multi-step project in mind. The hands-on teaching process is always the same. So let's start by taking a look at the handle. There are 4 identical buttons, 2 right here and 2 right here on the sides of the handle. Now these buttons are the keys to moving OB7 around. As long as you press and hold at least one of the 4, OB7 will follow around your movements and then stop when you release the button pressure. To give you an idea right now, I'm only pressing the 2 movement buttons on the left side while using my right hand to kind of grip and guide the handle. You can also use the handle to open and close the gripper. There are 2 buttons on the top of the handle on each side. You can see right here. They look pretty much the same as what you'd see in an elevator to open and close the door. And you see them on this side as well. In addition to those, just on the outside of them, you have a circular waypoint button, which you'll use to set specific positions for the robot while you're teaching the job. So let's start by jumping into a simple job just to show you what I mean. Let's focus on the tablet for a minute. So to build a job from scratch, from the home screen, select Learn. Then in the top left corner, select Learn New Job. At the top you have a naming window. Go ahead and name it whatever you want. So we'll just call this P for pick and place. And then in the bottom right corner, select Done. Now the tablet is ready for us to start teaching OB7 where to go and what to do. So let's use this block as our raw stalker part. We're going to set it down and we're going to teach OB7 how to pick it up and then take it from this side of the table to the other while hitting a couple of spots along the way. So I'm going to bring the gripper down over the block we want to pick up, open up the gripper, bring it all the way down, and now close it.
Pickup point learned.
Automatically, OB7 learns the pickup point and adds it to the job list on the tablet. Next, we're going to lift the block into the air, press the circular waypoint button.
Added.
In addition to the audio you hear from the tablet, there should be a little beep of feedback you feel in the handle to let you know that OB7 learned it. We'll go ahead and add one more waypoint at the end of the move, and then we'll place it back down on the table over here. Open up the gripper,
Place point learned.
and at this point, OB7 knows what we want it to do. We just have to tell it to start. So we'll take this lock and bring it back to its original position, and then going back to the home screen on the tablet, go to Work this time, select the job name. For us, it's P, and then in the bottom right corner, hit Go. And there you have it. You can see OB7 grabs the block from where it was originally positioned, and then is going to place it back down on the other side after traveling through the 2 waypoints we set along the way. Now keep in mind the default setting for OB7 is to repeat this process over and over again until interrupted or until it runs out of parts. So if we just don't put the block back, OB7 will stop because there isn't a part for it to grip and move. On the tablet, it opens up a dialog box and says pickup failed, and then offers 3 options: retry, ignore, and stop trying. So here we'll set the block back down and select retry to give you an idea of what that looks like. So as you can see, it's right back to it. And in about 10 seconds, we've taught OB7 how to do the important yet simple job of picking up and placing an item. In the grand scheme of things, this type of simple job is going to be used for things like picking up your stock, moving it into a machine, and placing it into a chuck or vise, and then later to unload your CNC, time after time until the job's complete. It's really that simple. Just a few steps and you're ready to start building jobs tailored to your individual needs.